In 2009, a genetically re-engineered measles virus, initially developed as a miracle cure for cancer, mutated into a deadly, highly pathogenic strain known as Crippen virus, or KV. This sinister transformation wiped out 90% of humanity, leaving the survivors to face a bleak new world. Those who did not perish were transformed into terrifying, albino, cannibalistic mutants called Darkseekers, vampiric creatures that shun sunlight and prowled at night, preying on the remaining 1% of humans who had developed a natural immunity. 3 years into this nightmare, in 2012, U.S. Army virologist LTC Robert Neville lives a solitary life amidst the ruins of Manhattan. His fortified home in Washington Square Park is his refuge, where he spends his days conducting experiments on infected rats, desperately searching for a cure. His only companions are his loyal German shepherd, Sam, and memories of his wife Zoe and daughter Marley, both lost in a helicopter crash during the chaos of the city's evacuation. Neville's life is one of quiet desperation, scavenging for supplies, broadcasting messages in hope of rescue, and battling loneliness that he copes with by talking to mannequins and watching old videos. One fateful day, while searching for food, Neville pursues a deer into a dark building, only to discover it infested with Darkseekers. He and Sam narrowly escape, their lives spared by the deadly sunlight that weakens the monsters. Neville uncovers a glimmer of hope and experimental treatment derived from his own blood and captures a female Darkseeker, hoping to develop a cure. But danger lurks. An alpha Darkseeker, a formidable leader, tries to pursue them but is halted by the sun and retreats into the shadows. Back in his basement lab, Neville works tirelessly, but the female Darkseeker remains unresponsive. The next day, Neville's mind is thrown into confusion when he spots Fred, a mannequin outside the local video store, and shoots at it. Realizing he's being watched, Neville approaches and is ensnared in a trap set by the Darkseekers. He hits his head and falls unconscious just as the sun begins to set. When he awakens, he's attacked by infected dogs, animals immune to the airborne virus but susceptible through bites. Neville and Sam fight to survive, but tragedy strikes. Sam is bitten. Neville injects her with his serum, but she begins to turn. Heartbroken and enraged, Neville tragically ends her life to spare her from the infection. Driven by grief and fury, Neville ventures out into the night, attacking Darkseekers in a desperate bid for vengeance. His efforts are interrupted when two immune survivors, Anna and a young boy named Ethan, find him and rescue him from the onslaught. They reveal they survived aboard a Red Cross evacuation ship from Sao Paulo and are heading toward a supposed safe haven in Vermont. Neville, hardened and skeptical, doubts the existence of such a refuge. As Neville continues his research, he works tirelessly to cure the female Darkseeker, believing that lowering her body temperature with ice might enhance the treatment. But danger looms. A pack of Darkseekers, tracking Anna and Neville, infiltrate their hideout. Cornered and sealed inside his basement lab, Neville, Anna, and Ethan brace for the storm, fighting to survive in a world forever changed by a deadly virus and humanity's desperate struggle to find hope amid the ruins. Even in the darkest times, humanity's resilience and the desire to save others can lead to moments of hope and redemption. The story also emphasizes the value of empathy and sacrifice, showing that true strength lies in caring for others and fighting against impossible odds to protect what is right. Ultimately, it reminds us that compassion and determination can make a difference, even when the world seems lost.